Happy Thursday, everybody. It is Hollywood Studios yet again.
Yep. We're going to try to get Rise of the Resistance. We were here before opening.
It's the first time we rope dropped since Mickey and Minnie's.
Yeah, since that opened.
Yeah.
So we're going to probably spend a few hours here, see what we can do. At least get Rise of the Resistance. If not, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
If we don't, I guess that's okay, but it'd be really cool. We haven't rode that ride in 6 months.
Yeah, I just kind of see what there is. Maybe there'll be some kind of different merch. We don't know. But we'll have to check that out for you guys as well.
Yeah,
I did know that there are new masks for Halloween since that's coming up and it's going to be decorated pretty soon.
Yeah. So if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by.
Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on that link.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. And if you can, hit up our Instagram, where we do a lot more there. We post mostly every day over there. Not videos or anything, but just pictures of where we've been. But it is still a lot of fun. We're really excited. We really hope we get Rise of the Resistance.
So we're here for you guys to show you that, to see if anything has changed or what the seating is like, especially now with the pandemic going on and the mask wearing and such and social distancing.
Right. Without further ado, guys, enjoy this video.
Alright, so it's what, it's not even 10:01 yet. And what did you get, Brian?
At number 13. Is it unlucky or lucky number 13?
How long did it take you?
A matter of 2 seconds.
So like, not even 10:01.
I was in the queue for like 3 minutes. I'm sitting there like swiping down, and then it goes join. I'm like, yes.
So we are group 13 over here.
Amber, it's time. Just kidding.
We're gonna ride the Tower of Terror.
Why?
I love that ride.
We'll see you guys inside.
Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the calls. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Hyperdrive llegando daro review. Good. Airspeed sensor? Review. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Tena weka system scan rege. Affirmative. Tena okay. Hyperdrive systems normal. Ndio. Main reactor. Haya mutuma nake. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to cut out of the way!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nine Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas?
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Amber, you got yelled at.
What color are we on?
Pink.
Orange.
Oh.
Prisoners are secure.
It's a bad angle.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're all by ourselves.
Look, there's no one behind us.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. orders. We are breaching attention workers.
Attention book breach. Treatment of Nazi identity. Fire! The escape pods just below us. Take units down.
We've never been this way before.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Get us out of here!
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Good thing we have our mask on.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for spot people.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? Got him. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits.
Guys, it's actually not that hot today. It's actually pretty comfortable.
It's 80 some, but it feels like 102.
Yeah, and it's not like we want to come back and start doing outros in the car again. It's just we started heading out. We're like, oh shoot. But we were able to ride Rise of the Resistance and Mickey and Minnie's. So.
And Millennium Falcon.
Yeah.
So we did quite a bit in what, the 3.5 hours we were here.
We did. So I want to leave it up to you, as our followers, as our viewers,
our fan bam.
Yeah. Which one do you think is best? Now, you have to be open-minded. You can't be biased towards Star Wars or nostalgic Mickey and Minnie. Which ride do you really think is the best? And
out of those three, leave it in the comments below. Let's start a discussion about it and just chat.
Ooh, and I'm going to put up here one of these spots over here. I don't know which one. So if you're on your computer, you pause it, and up here you'll have what do you call it? The
one of these areas.
There's a poll that we can do, and so this
please be nice to each other. If and we're trying to get to comments too, so we'll participate as well.
Yeah.
But leave a comment which is your favorite, or do the poll. Either one is fine with us.
So, in my opinion, total ride experience. I think Rise of Resistance is awesome, but Mickey and Minnie's has that nostalgic feeling in it.
Even though it has newer technology, it just feels totally different than Rise of the Resistance. So I mean, they're a really, really close tie, but like with my cast member preview, I'm still gonna stick by Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for now. It has like a slight edge.
But guys, we really appreciate you making it this far.
Yes, thank you to all our fan band. We're getting so many more subscribers, and we're so thankful.
We are.
Help us get to 250 at least. If not more, that will be perfect. Maybe I can get this one to do something. Maybe like a challenge or giveaway. We don't know.
Maybe.
Like a challenge of all scary things Brian doesn't want to do.
That's a no. No, guys, but thank you so much for supporting our channel. We really do appreciate it. We did download new software, so we're hoping to start maybe editing a lot better than what we are now. Secondly, we're also looking at maybe in the new year, not now, but in the new year, maybe start producing shirts and other logos for you guys.
Yeah, let us know as well in the comments if you guys would like that. We're not sure. I mean, we're representing our masks. We got them made. They're really cool.
Yeah.
I don't remember the Etsy. We got on Etsy. Maybe Brian can link it down below.
I can.
But if you can please share with your family and friends, we will be so much more grateful for that. And thank you guys so much already for everything that you have done for us.
Definitely. And if you haven't done so, go to our Instagrams and follow us there.
Yeah,
we do a lot more.
I'm the one that's active on there. Yeah.
I edit.
He does the hard work and I do all the social media stuff.
But guys, thank you so much, and we will definitely see you guys next time.
Bye.